Proper military forces. Okay, Indian Coast Guard is a part of Ministry of Defence. It's not called as Defence Force. You can say Army, Navy, Air Force. That's only three forces will be. Coast Guard is the Department of Defence. So it is under Ministry of Defence. It's not a paramilitary. First you must understand this thing. Okay, so it's like your extended arm of Navy. You can Navy is going beyond 200 nautical mile and doing duties. Coast Guard is mainly maritime safety role. Coast Guard is armed mainly for maritime safety role. Maritime safety role in the sense saving lives at sea. Some fisherman is at sea, he is in distress, the boat is sinking, that time who will be rescuing them? Indian Coast Guard is there. Okay, like that, not only rescuing, we are there to apprehend smugglers if any, or any intruders. They are coming from like Kasab, what he did, he came to India through sea route only by taking some other boat. Like that, we check all these infiltrators who are planning to come through sea route for the Coast Guard. Now, what are the career opportunities available in this? As an officer, if you want to become an officer, you can have any degree provided. Yes, please.
So, any doubts regarding basic roles of Coast Guard? Basic roles of Coast Guard are first of all search and rescue at sea. If anyone is in distress, anyone is in any problem, there are a lot of fishing activities, lot of fishermen out there at sea. If anyone is in distress, if someone's ship is not working, someone's boat has toppled, who responds first is Indian Coast Guard. In any kind of flood relief activities, if you see right now in Gujarat, there were floods, Indian Coast Guard was responding, they were evacuating people. In case there is pollution response operation, Indian Coast Guard is the first responder. If there is any fire on any ship at sea, Indian Coast Guard becomes the first responder, then consecutively the other services comes into action. These are the major roles which we can tell you. There are many other roles which we will understand if you become part of this organization. Now, what we are here to discuss is career opportunities in Coast Guard as an officer. Like sir explained, he is at the rank of Deputy Commandant. I am at the rank of Assistant Commandant. He is a GD cadre officer. GD cadre officer means the officer who works in ships. His work profile includes navigating the ship, handling the signals, handling the guns on the ship. And like myself, I am a helicopter pilot. Other than me, there will be other pilots who are flying fixed-wing aircrafts. There are three types of aircrafts basically in Coast Guard: Dornier, followed by Chetak, and then ALH. If you search on net, you will get entire information of all these aircrafts and all the ships of the Coast Guard. Now, if you want to join Indian Coast Guard as an officer, first thing you might like to note down is www.joinindiancoastguard.sidac.in. This is the website where, should I repeat it for you? That is www.joinindiancoastguard.sidac.in. SIDAC. So, if you log in, if you go on this website, you will find what all opportunities, what all entries are available to join, for you to join as assistant commander. The age limit will be varying from 21 to 25 for general category, and subsequent relaxations are given for other categories which you can find out on those websites. Now there are three types of entries. One is general duty, one is law, and one is technical. Now this being a science and arts college, we'll talk about only general duty. So if you want to join a general duty, if you want to join as an officer in general duty in Coast Guard, you must have completed your degree in a recognized university, and you should have at least 60% of aggregate marks. This is applicable for commerce, arts, science, all of them. However, a basic requirement is in your 10+2 you should have physics and maths, and you should have acquired 55% of least marks in these two subjects. So if you fulfill this criteria and if you are in the right age limit, this is the right time for you to join Indian Coast Guard as an officer and become a. And for your information, this post, assistant commandant post, is class A gazetted officer of Indian Constitution. And Coast Guard is being an armed force of Indian Union, it directly comes under Ministry of Defence. However, it is not a military force, but still it is an armed force of India. So that was from our side. We cannot take much of your time, your college is also going on. So you can very well join on, log on to www.joinindiancoastguard.cdac.in. Lot of information about Coast Guard. And in case you have any imminent doubt arising right now, you can ask.
Your eyesight is like this, and there are some relaxations are there. Some few certain guidelines are given. What are the medical standards? What is the age criteria? Everything is given in that website where I told www.joinindiancoastguard.nic.cdac.in. Okay. In that you can come to know all details. The papers starting from 56,100 for upon recruitment you will be getting basic pay 56,100, that is pay band 10. I don't think any other place you can get like that. So many perks and allowances. So you should try. The only requirement is you need to clear the selection board. SSB will be there. So I will request all of you to go through this and inform your friends, anybody who is there. Okay. Gaming newspapers last batch advertisement. I will be placing a copy with the request from your administration. The copy will be there. Disregard the date is in somewhere February, but the other information which are given below where this one physical standards, what are the details, it's all same. Okay, only the dates will be changing for the next this one. So I will be placing a copy of this also advertisement last advertisement. Go through that.